To achieve a dark icon look on Samsung devices with the One UI 6.1.1 update, start by long pressing on an empty area of your home screen. Then select the Wallpaper and Style option at the bottom left. This will take you to the settings, where you'll find the Color Palette option. Choose a palette based on your wallpaper colors. Next, enable the color palette by clicking the toggle button. Then switch to Basic Colors and swipe left to access the second screen. On this screen, select the first option, which resembles a grayscale color, to achieve the dark icon look. Additionally, make sure to toggle on Apply Palette to App Icons and press Apply at the bottom. This will apply the color palette to your app icons and device. Note that not all icons will turn dark, as some apps may not support this feature. However, most system icons and some other apps will change to a gray or dark color, giving your device a consistent look. By following these steps, you can easily customize your icon appearance and enjoy a cohesive design on your Samsung device.